You don't know how to start that skill, that project, that course, that degree, but you can start. It could be lack of time, lack of proper management, even lack of resources. Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how I started my YouTube channel, even without having the resources I needed, like the tripod stand, the ring light, and I couldn't even edit. But before then, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so I can always get updated when I post new videos. So let's get to it. Prior to this time, I've always wanted to start my YouTube channel. That was in 2021, but I couldn't afford a good camera phone and every other thing I needed to start my YouTube channel. I kept on looking at those obstacles and I realized that time was ticking. Well, down to 2023, I still haven't started and I felt so bad. But then I looked around and I realized that I had to start even without having all those things. The first step on how I started was through relationships. Yes, we've always looked down on the fact that having friends who always stand by you is very important. Well, I couldn't afford these resources and I didn't have it at that time. But then I looked around and I realized that some of my friends had very good phones, friends that were very good in editing. So I decided to use that as an opportunity to start. I have one of my friends who had a good iPhone camera quality. So I walked up to him and I told him my challenges and how I wanted to start this YouTube channel. And he said, no problem. I mean, he was even glad to help. That was how I started. You know, he even offered to be the cameraman. Yes, he even offered to record the videos while I carried out with shooting the video. But that was a lot of challenges because I didn't even have my own phone where I could collect the videos and edit them. But then I had the other of my friend who was very good at editing. So I met him and I told him I would like you to please help me edit my videos because I do not have a phone where I can edit. I can't edit. I need someone who can teach me and help me. And he was glad to help out. So that was the beginning of my journey. Well, that was a whole lot of work, but it was worth the sacrifice because I was so, adamant on starting this YouTube channel. And that is where relationship comes in. But I did it for quite some time, for almost 4 months. That was how I shot most of my videos. Well, this story might not interest you that much, but this is a little motivation for someone out there who has always wanted to start up something. You don't have any excuse. A wise man would always say, you don't need any capital to start anything. The capital you need is your head, and that is why it's on your head. So why not stop postponing that activity? Time is ticking and you don't have the whole time to start. I tell you, there's always a way to start. At this point, I can't say we are already at the top, or we are getting there, or we are not stopping anytime sooner. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification button to always get updates on the videos.